guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix error on your Android phone. As you can see in my screen, system is not responding. So same error I am facing. So I have got the simple and easy solution to fix this error. So when you are facing this type of error guys, first you need to restart your device. After restarting, now what you need to do guys, you need to check your internal storage was free or not. If the internal storage is not free, you need to free up some space from your internal storage. So open the internal storage. Now you need to delete unwanted files, folder, images, videos. After this guys, now it will fix your problem 100%. Still if you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, open your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification and all apps. Okay, now you need to find out Google Play services, open it, go to storage and clear the caches and storage of this app. After this guys, now what more time you need to restart your phone. After restarting, it will fix your problem. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to hard and factory reset your phone. To do this guys, in the phone settings, go to system, advanced, and here you can get the option reset. Just tap on it. From here you need to factory reset your device. So this is the final solution to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.